Close your eyes for just a second and take a deep breath. Now ask yourself this: when was the last time your mind actually felt calm? Not distracted, not stressed, not racing, just calm. If your answer is, I don't remember, then this video is exactly for you. Today we're talking about yoga for beginners and simple poses that can help you release stress, slow your thoughts, and reconnect with your body. No flexibility, no experience, and no fancy equipment required. If you're new to yoga, let me reassure you right now. Yoga is not about twisting your body into impossible shapes or sitting perfectly still with a silent mind. Yoga is about meeting yourself where you are. It's about breathing, moving gently, and allowing your nervous system to relax. Stress lives not just in your mind, but in your shoulders, your neck, your lower back, and even your breath. And the beauty of yoga is that it speaks directly to all of that. Let's start by simply standing or sitting comfortably. One of the most powerful tools in yoga is something we often forget: breathing. Slow, deep breathing sends a signal to your brain that you are safe. As you inhale through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth, your heart rate begins to slow down. This alone can reduce stress, anxiety, and mental fatigue. Even before we move into poses, this conscious breathing is already working. Now imagine gently moving your body in ways that release tension instead of creating it. One of the easiest and most calming movements is a slow forward bend. You don't have to touch your toes. You don't have to push. Just let your upper body hang slightly forward, bending your knees if needed. This simple movement relaxes the neck and shoulders, areas where stress loves to hide. As you hang, let your head feel heavy and allow your thoughts to soften. Another beginner-friendly pose that works wonders for stress is a gentle seated stretch. Sitting comfortably on the floor or on a chair, bring your attention to your spine. Lengthen it gently, then slowly lean to one side, feeling the stretch along your side body. This movement opens the ribs and improves breathing, which helps calm the nervous system. Switch sides slowly and notice how your body responds when you move with awareness instead of force. One of the most soothing poses for beginners is lying down on your back with your knees bent and feet on the floor. This position allows your lower back to relax and gives your body a sense of support. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly, and feel your breath rise and fall. This pose is deeply grounding and helps reduce stress. Our bodies stay here for a few breaths and allow yourself to truly rest. You might be surprised how powerful gentle movements can be. Stress doesn't need intense workouts to be released. In fact, when we're stressed, our bodies often need softness, not pressure. Simple poses like slowly bringing your knees toward your chest while lying down can massage your lower back and ease tension. Rocking gently side to side can feel incredibly comforting, almost like telling your body, it's okay to relax now. One of my favorite poses for stress relief is child's pose. Even beginners can do this with ease. Kneeling down and folding forward, resting your forehead on the mat or a cushion, creates a sense of safety and surrender. This pose encourages deep breathing into the back of the body and signals your nervous system to slow down. If your mind feels busy, stay here a little longer and focus only on your breath. As you move through these poses, remember this: yoga is not about performance. It's about presence. Some days your body will feel open, other days it will feel tight, and both are perfectly okay. Stress reduces when we stop fighting how we feel and start listening instead. If this video helped you feel even a little more relaxed, make sure to like it, share it with someone who needs calm in their life, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly health and wellness content. Remember, your breath is always there for you, and peace is closer than you think.